Hello everybody, Stuart here. Welcome to this product demonstration of Wiz Write. Wiz Write is a super simple tool that lets you interact with AI with your voice. We're super excited to launch today on Product Hunt, so that's going to be the part of our demo. Let's get into how you can use Wiz Write to make content faster and better than you can if you use a keyboard. So this is the Wiz Write dashboard. It's completely mobile responsive, so you can use it on the go or on a desktop. The main button is the record button, which allows you to talk to AI naturally. You can talk faster than you can type, and when you talk, you tend to provide more clarity and more of your knowledge and in-depth understanding of topics comes across. So we think it's a perfect way to interact with artificial intelligence. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you some of the AI actions that we have created. So we have some custom AI actions that you can run on your transcript and what you have spoken. And all of these are relating to Product Hunt today for our Product Hunt launch. I can hit save on these and you can see them queued up, ready to go. So all that's left is for me to talk to the AI, and it will then run the transcription automatically, and then it will run the different AI actions that we have set up. So we can produce multiple pieces of production ready content with a single transcript. So let's get into that. Wiz Write is a revolutionary tool that allows you to talk with artificial intelligence. By talking instead of typing, you can get more clarity and more of your deeper understanding across to the AI. With this information, when you run custom AI actions, these are custom AI actions that you can set up individually for your business. You're going to get content that is production ready, unique, and really has the knowledge that has come from the transcription of what you have spoken. The final part of Wiz Write, which makes it truly magical, is that once you have this content, you can run it to the tools that you already use through integrations like Zapier. You can use Wiz Write with a Chrome extension, so you don't even have to move away from the tab where you are already working, or you can send any piece of content anywhere with a webhook. So you can set up some really complex and nice workflows where you, one, produce the content, and two, send it where you need it. We're excited to launch Wiz Write today. So that was me talking for about 1 minute 20 seconds. You'll see here that we have this transcribing loader at the top where we do the transcription. We have the transcription here. We have the tagline already come out, and now it will be working on the first comment and the description for the post. If we want to edit anything within a transcript or any output, we can do so by simply clicking the edit button. Like, for example, it didn't transcribe Wiz Write properly, so that would be a super easy fix just to tackle that and clean that up if that's something that we wanted to do to then run more AI actions on. So we can see now that we have the tagline created, which is pretty great. We have our first comment with lots of emojis, lots of fun, lots of hype. So that's super awesome. And then we have the launch description, which again is super awesome. So just to show you what I'm talking about with tidying up a transcript, if I was to change this to Wiz Write, and I will change this to Wiz Write also, then what we are going to have is we're going to get a better output if we want to run further AI actions on it. And for today, let's just do a demonstration where I'm going to show you a pirate chat and I'm going to show you a surfer bro. So we can queue up these now again, and we can run multiple of these AI actions at one time, and we can get multiple pieces of content. It's super easy to use. You can talk like a pirate, you can talk like a surfer bro, or you can do some super relevant pieces of content for your actual business. So that is Wiz Write in a nutshell. If you think that it could be useful for you, and I'm confident it can be for pretty much anyone involved in business, consider signing up today at wizwrite.io. Thank you.